Hi guys, this is Joe McMahon with Mission Taco Joint. Going to be showing you our Chilaquiles New Year's kit. Thank you so much for purchasing this. So we've got our house-made tortilla chips, our Chilaquiles sauce. This is a tomato-based sauce with some habanero to give it a little heat, not too much though. Then you've got your toppings, some cilantro and onion, queso fresco, Mexican crema, and we're going to mix some Chihuahua cheese in with it. So let's go ahead and get this started. You want to start with a warm saute pan. We're going to add our chips and our sauce. So we want to cook this down for about 30 seconds to a minute. You just want to get the tortillas nice and soft. You can make them soggy, you can make them a little crisp, whatever you want. We like it right in between, so it's got some texture to it still. While you got your chips going, you can do your eggs. You can do scrambled eggs, fried eggs. I prefer fried, so we'll go with sunny side up. Our chips are about halfway there. Get them nice and coated in the sauce. Once you got your chips to your liking, you go ahead and mix your Chihuahua cheese in there. Give that a stir to cut the heat. Just let that cheese melt a little bit. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and plate this. Okay, we got our toppings. We got our cilantro and onion, queso fresco, and Mexican crema. And we're going to finish it with our sunny side up eggs. And that's it, guys. Chilaquiles.